Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you, Lumenate app review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, the Luminate app here has carved out a fascinating niche in the mindfulness space, moving entirely away from the traditional breath-based meditation to offer what they call the psychedelic meditation experience using just your smartphone. Now, according to Luminate's official platform details, the app uses your phone's flashlight to emit precise stroboscopic flickering light sequences. Now, when you hold the phone close to your face with your eyes closed, these lights frequencies gently synchronize with your brainwaves. Now, a process called neural entrainment. Now, to guide you into a deeply relaxed, semi-psychedelic trace state or trance state here. Now, their platform library includes tailored soundscapes, musical tracks, and from John Lennon and guided journeys voiced by actress Rosamund Pike to help you with everything from calming a racing mind to preparing a deep sleep. Now, when you look at reviews out there on platforms like Google Play Store, even like the App Store here, the pros are overwhelmingly positive regarding the app's unique effectiveness. Now, massive standout mentions by reviewers is how quickly it forces a busy, easy distracted mind to drop into a meditative state here. Now, because the flashing lights create vivid shifting geometric fractals here and beautiful color patterns behind your eyelids, it gives your brain a physical stimuli to focus on. Now, in fact, a highly unique benefit widely praised in user feedback is how transformative the app is for individuals with, in this case, aphantasia. Now, the inability to visualize imagery in their mind. Now, many users joyfully share that Luminate allow them to see shapes, dimensions, and colors with their eyes closed for the very first time in their lives. Now, on the flip side here, there are some minor cons here that you may want to know. Now, mostly centered around the physical comfort and brain compatibility. Now, some users on these review platforms here mentioned that holding bright flashing smartphones, flashlight 10 inches from your face can eventually cause minor eye strain and or dull headaches. Now, which is why the company recently launched a wearable Luminate Nova light mask to allow you for a hands-free experience. Additionally, a few reviews note that if you're already experiencing high anxiety or have consumed a caffeine right before a session, the intense visual stimuli can occasionally make you feel a bit overwhelmed or restless rather than calm. But ultimately, if you struggle with traditional sit still meditation and want a highly visual, scientifically grounded tool to instantly interrupt stressful thought patterns here, the overwhelming consensus across the app stores is that Luminate here is absolutely worth checking out. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.